Hey, I'm gonna play Jingle Bells now on my brother's keyboard. I do not take piano lessons, but I play the flute, but I'm gonna start taking piano lessons. So yeah, might mess up, just so you know.
Hi, my name's Wade.
So yeah, there's the music. And yeah. So comment, rate, subscribe maybe. And I rock the nerd glasses. Like for the nerd glasses. Bye.